Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make the left tab stop at 0.2 inches in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first we have to open our Affinity Publisher document. Then we can see here some pages with some text. Now we want to add the tab stop 0.2. Firstly click inside the text box, then go to the view menu and enable the show text ruler. We can see here the ruler. You can make the tab stop using this ruler. Now select this option and move the option. Then we can see we make the ruler tab stops. Otherwise you can set the tab stop, go to the window menu, go to the select text option, enable the paragraph. We can see here the tab stop. Then we click this option and set a tab stop. Click the plus icon and set 0.2, then press enter. You can set the tab left, right, center or decibel. Now I set the left. Then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we set the tab stop 0.2 inch very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.